Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter of 10th class social studies, that is ideas of development. Now what is development? An event consisting a new stage in changing situations is called development. We have many aspirations about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? Can there be more equality? Let's discuss one by one. Development involves thinking about these questions and about the things in which we can work towards achieving these goals. This is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make an effort to understand about development. What development promises different people different goals. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean in different person's life. For example, if we take landless rural laborers, they want more days of work and better wages, local school that is able to provide quality education for their children. In their point of view, this is a development for them. And if we take prosperous farmers, achieved high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hardworking and cheap laborers should be able to settle their children in abroad are their ideas for which they feel like they are developed. And if we take a girl from a rich urban family, the development in her point of view is she get as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She would like to be able to pursue her studies in abroad. By seeing this, I have a question. Do all these persons have the same notion of development? Most likely not. Each one of them seeks different things. They seek things that are most important for them, that is, which can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. A girl expects as much as freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares the responsibilities in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want construction of more dams, but this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribals and farmers. They might oppose this and may just want small check dams or tanks to irrigate the land. So, from this topic, two things are quite clear for us. That is, different persons can have different developmental goals, and what may be development for one may not be development for other. It may be even destructive for other. Now the next topic is income and other goals. You will notice one common thing in the above discussion. What most people desire are regular work, better wages, and decent price for their crops and other products that they produce. In other words, they want more income. Besides seeking more income, one way or other way, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect from others. The recent or they oppose discrimination. Here, recent means discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, these may be more important than more income or more consumption because material goals are not all that you need to live. Money or material things that one can buy with is just one factor on which our life depends. But the quality of our life also depends on non material things. Therefore, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. For development, people look at mix of goals. Hence, the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. Thank you, friends.